Hey guys, this is Valak. Wanted to do a video and talk about local Google listings. I just wrote a post on my blog at timberwebdesign.com and about this topic. And I just wanted to do a video and kind of talk about it on video. So I have it open over here, so I'm just gonna look at the post and kind of talk about it. So basically it's 3 steps to ranking better in Google local listings or local map listings. 3 steps are basically the major minimum basic things that you need to have to give yourselves the best chance to rank well on there. Now, depending on your competition, of course, these things will vary, but these are the basic 3 things that you must have. So number 1 is the relevancy of your website. If somebody's looking for plumbers in Seattle, for instance, then you need to make sure that your website is actually targeting plumber, the word plumber or keyword plumber. And it talks about plumbers or plumbing. So it needs to be relevant to the topic that the searcher is searching for. And it's not just that the website needs to be relevant, but it also needs to be optimized to target this category or topic. Your meta tags, your headings, alt tags on your images, and everything that goes into optimizing. So the closer in relevancy your website is to what the searcher is looking for, the best chance you have of ranking higher. So the second item is the proximity to the user. So if somebody is looking for a plumber in Seattle and they are sitting somewhere in Seattle while searching this, Google will detect where approximately where the user is, and based on that it'll pull up results, based on proximity, whoever's closer. And it's not necessarily very accurate. I've seen things that are further out that rank better than things that are closer, but it's one of the metrics that go into the formula of whatever what Google's using to rank. So to make sure that you have the best chance of ranking for or getting the points for the proximity, is you need to make sure that your address is set up correctly on your website, and then you need to make sure that you have a Google Plus page for your business, which has the same exact address listed on there as it is on your website. The other thing is business name, your address, and your phone number. Those 3 things need to match exactly on your business Google page as well as your website. And anywhere else, any other directories that you post your listing in, make sure that your address always stays the same. I mean, I'm talking about abbreviations for road or avenue. If you're just writing AVE, make sure you write AVE everywhere and don't vary it. So that's thing number 2. Number 3 is prominence, and I had to look up the definition for this word just to make sure I explain it correctly. The state of being important or famous. So Google basically will rank your site based on how important or famous it is, based on the links that link back to it. If you've been around SEO for any amount of time or looked into it, you know that having other websites linked to your site is very important. And so based on that, the more links you have, the more quality links you have, the better chances you have of ranking higher. So these are the three things that go into the formula of ranking you in the local search. Let's see, we got we're 5 minutes. Just a second here. Okay, so one way to, I'm gonna brush over the link building a little bit. I'm not gonna go into too much of a detail on it in this video, but basically for your for links to get yourself higher in importance or getting it more famous, you basically need to go out and collect links to your site. And there's always the right way of doing it and the wrong way of doing it. And a lot of businesses will get in trouble by doing it the wrong way or hiring somebody that doesn't do it the right way, and then it hurts their business more than anything else. So what you need to keep in mind when you do link building is make sure you always anything you do to collect links, verify it against what Google wants, what is their policy. And it's basically to provide high quality results to their users. That's their point in life. So if whatever you do to build links, if you keep that in mind and build your links by providing high quality content that's relevant, that's useful, that's not duplicate content, it's all original, you should be just fine. Don't use any kind of automatic tools. Go out and talk to other website owners, blog owners. Like in case of the plumber, you can write a high quality article, like a useful thing about plumbing fixtures or faucets or something, and then go and bring this article to a local hardware store owner, if they have a website. Tell them, here I have a cool article about faucets, and just ask them if they would post it on their website, and just include a link to your website from there, and that will give you that will be a good link, because it'll be coming from a local hardware store, which is kind of related to plumbing, and it's local, so that will give you a local citation, going to your site, and hopefully this store has been around for a while. Maybe they had a website for a while, and if that website's already ranking in Google, it's a good place to get a link from. So just basically you gotta get out there and see what's available, what kind of websites are out there in your local community. That's anything that's related to what you do. You don't necessarily have to go out to other plumbers and ask them, to your competition, and ask them for a link, but go out to other things that are related. Construction companies, maybe your clients or your customers or vendors, whoever, talk to them, try, hustle, just get out there and get it done. Just collect links as much as you can. Another very important thing I want to mention is getting into local directories online is very good for local listings, or for the local results in Google. So directories like what is it called? Well, Yahoo directory, Better Business Bureau. What is this thing that I'm thinking about? Anyway, local directories, you get what I'm saying. If you look up in Google local directories, you'll find a bunch of them. There's lists and lists of them, and just go out there, and start creating profiles and just listings for your business in all kinds of local directories. The more you have, the better it is, and make sure that your address, your business name, your address, and your phone number match exactly to what you have in your Google page. Other than that, I think you should be okay. I'm at 10 minutes here, so I gotta finish up. Thank you for watching this video, and like, comment, and share. I would appreciate that. You can also go to my website, timberwebdesign.com, and read my blog and comment there too. Thank you very much, and I'll talk to you later.